Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. In that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily. So for long-term investment, you're going to get a very clear picture. Then we go into the 4 hours for swing trading. Then after 4 hours, we go into 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. So stay tuned and watch all the video from the start till the end and don't skip any part. Let's start our lesson, guys. So guys, as you see here, got the daily candle here. What it's showing to us, same what I told you yesterday. I told you we're going to stay here sideways, and that's what's happening here as you see it. Same like how it's happened here. That one here, it's been Saturday and Sunday. Then it came Monday, do like that. Then after that, look all the week what we done. Same thing is going to happen, guys, here. You're going to stay here till Monday. You're going to see a drop. Then after that, you're going to see a going up. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, maybe Monday you're going to see a candle going up. Then after that, you're going to see a big drop. So now what should you do? If you are a long-term investor, forget about all those things. Just they say once a day, once a week. Forget about all those things. And the only thing I tell it to you and I repeat it, store your crypto in a hard wallet. If you got a little bit of capital, use Ledger wallet. It's not expensive. It's doing only $60 in Amazon. If you don't have that much of capital, use Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is just an application. You download it and you install it in your phone. Yes, you paying fees because the transaction, if you want to send the Bitcoin or the crypto from your wallet to the exchange to sell it, you're going to pay fees. I think it's about $7, but it's worth it, guys. It's worth it, believe me, because it's you controlling your crypto and your money. You don't let it in the hand of no one. Me, personally, I prefer the Ledger wallet. The Ledger Nano, there is a lot of series of it. There is Ledger Nano S, there is Ledger Nano Plus, and all those ones. That one is the most safe one because that one is not connected to the internet. No one can access to your coin. Picture is too clear, guys. And even if you lose it, you got a phrase, you buy a new wallet and you enter that phrase and you're going to get your crypto. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And here in the daily, guys, also what we said if we don't break that level here, that one here, we are not going to enter long or short. I said it's net, that one to come to break here for us to enter long, and I want to come down here to break for us to enter short. Till now, also we still sideways here. We're moving up and down. There is no clear direction, guys. Picture is very, very, very clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close or the time of European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be notified. Every day, you're going to be updated about what the Bitcoin doing. It's not something hard. Just a red button down, written in it, subscribe it. When you click at it, you're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Us people, they been with us where we enter. Us, we enter from here. From that candle here, guys. Why we enter? Because we used to have here a triangle like that. When it's breaking here, also we enter. We came till here, then me what did I told you? I told you guys here, you need to close some of the profit. Yes or no? People they been with us. That's what me I said here. And what did I told you is going to happen here? In that place where we are. I told you it's going to happen the same like how it happened here. Look with me here. What you see? It happened here, a flag, guys. Look at it. Then it's breaking it. It's bring the target exactly, guys. Yes or no? That one is a flag. Now here, the same thing, guys, is going to happen. It's going to happen here, a flag like that. And you're going to bring that one from here till here. And when it's breaking, you do it like that. That if it's breaking high, if it's breaking low, you enter short, guys. That's another thing. If it's breaking low here in that place, we will enter short. And I will explain to you more. And here, guys, look with me here. You came to that peak here, that one here, and you draw a line like that. So let's do it together like that. And in the top, you do it like that. What you got? You got an up channel, guys. Yes or no? Now, if that one came and break in here in that level here, what should we do, guys? If it came and break in here, guys, in that level here, we will enter short again. Remember that. If it's breaking here, we will enter short, guys. Don't enter now short. If it came and breaking here, there is a big difference between swing trading and scalping, guys. There is a big difference. Picture is too clear, guys. So what did I told you? I told you if the chart came and breaking down here in that level here, we will enter short. It will break, it will not. Why? It is going to come down till here. Then after that, it's going to go higher, guys. That's a scenario. Because over here, look what you have here. In that level here, look what you have. You have here a supply and demand zone, guys. And that supply and demand zone is going to become here in that place here, in that level here, as a very stronger support. Because last time, when it came to it, it fell down. And how we break it? We break it with a big volume of that candle here. Now for that one to break it, it needs to come a big candle of the volume, guys, to break down. If there is just a normal candle like those ones which is going now, it will not get broke, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, yes, you, my friend, I know you are subscribers. You smash the like button. Please go ahead and do it, please. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard. Yes, you, now. Pause the video. Go now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you it can grow up. So please support us. It's not something hard. It will not take that much from your time. Just 1 second. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now it's going to show our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, when we be in here at that level, that 2 days, I tell you guys, in that level, try to protect yourself. Take some of the profit. Also, we enter very low in that trade. Yes, it might from here is going to fall down till here. Then after that, you're going to see it going up. And here, what we got here a hidden divergence, guys. I show it to you in the last video. It's okay to repeat it to you. Let me show it to you. Look with me. Here, guys, look from that peak here, that one here, and that one here in the chart. Look here, I'm going to bring a line like that, and we draw it like that. And here in the chart, we're going to do it like that. You see it or no? You got a hidden divergence, guys. A hidden divergence, the rule of it, it's not playing like a normal divergence like how it happened here down. The market is reverse. A hidden divergence, the rule of it is a continuation pattern, guys. That means the market it will continue upward, guys. Where should you enter if it's breaking? If it came and breaking here in that level here, the last high here, you need to enter long, guys. Remember that. I show you all those things before. So now what the view either from here is going to fall down slowly till here, till that level here, then after that is going to go higher, or another scenario from here is going to fall down because that the market no one can predict it. Also, we just analyzing for you guys and we give you our highly accurate analysis, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our other indicator what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we used to be here at the oversold area. Yes or no? We used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Third things, we used to have here a price action. When it's breaking here, us we enter long. When that indicator of us it enter here at the overbought area, is it here? I told you guys, protect yourself and take some of the profit. Yes, that one is just an oscillator, guys. That one is just an oscillator and you don't need to base your trading because of an oscillator. Us we base our trading because of a price action, guys. Why me I told you over here try to protect yourself? Because look with me here. I'm going to bring it like that. What you seeing, guys? Look here. That one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. It's been reacting like a very stronger support. When we break it down, now it's reacting like a resistance. Yes or no? And now you are very close to it. Maybe from here we're going to go higher till here, but also still under then a very stronger resistance. For us to know the market is reverse, it's need that one to come inside here. And I'll show you that one in the wake of analysis, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Now what should we do, guys, here in the 4 hours? I'll show you that one. That trend line, let's make it just a trend line like that. If the market came and breaking down here, we'll enter short, guys. If the market came and breaking down here, we will enter short. Why? Our indicator is at the overbought area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. So if the market came and breaking here, it's going to go lower than all that, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. People they be in with us. Where us we enter short here in 30 minutes. Here at that level here. Why we enter short from there? Because we used to have here a channel like that. When it's breaking here in that level here, we enter short. Where we put stop loss, we put it here in that level here. The market it came upward tail here, but now also we are in profit, guys. Yes or no? And where me I told you to put the take profit. Also we enter from here, I told you to put it here, down here. Yes or no? Now what should you do, guys? Nothing. You're just waiting the take profit to come. And look with me here. Look here what the market tried to give you here now. I gave you here a wage. You see it or no? Look at it how I draw it. Now that one, if it came and breaking down, you're going to see the Bitcoin is falling down, guys. And also here we are in a sideways market, guys. There is no buying, no selling now for long term. It's our indicators with the same for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, you are very close to the oversold area. Should you take profit? No, my friend. You just try to protect yourself. The only thing I can tell you, try to protect yourself because Saturday and Sunday there is no big volume and no big volatility. So try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen in Monday. Another thing, let me show it to you. It's our indicator, guys. That one we enter because we used to have here a divergence like that. And now what it give us? It's still giving us here another divergence, guys. You see it or not? Look with me here. It's still giving you there a divergence. Where should you take profit, guys? When it's touching here the oversold area. Not the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Look with me here and look with me here. If that one came and breaking up, you enter long, guys. Why? Because our indicator is it at the oversold area, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle close. Bye for now, guys.